Here comes your pre-market summary for Monday, June 26. We're still in negative territory here. Futures trying to get back to the upside right now, in fact, led by the Dow currently. But if you remember back on Friday, we snapped multi-week winning streaks for all three of these. It was 8 in a row that got broken for the NASDAQ, finishing not only Friday downside, but the entire week. Down about 1.5% on the week last week. The Dow 0.01, 0.09 there for the S&P was 5 in a row for the S&P 500 that got broken as far as the weekly positive streak is concerned. We are slightly lower to start for both once again this morning, but this pullback continues on the major indexes right across the board. Pretty healthy overall. We're still trying to hold key support levels for both the S&P and the NASDAQ. Few individual movers to keep an eye on this morning. As far as big tech is concerned, Google or Alphabet, notably weak here. UBS downgrading the stock to neutral. They did, however, raise their price target 132 from 123 down here, pointing to more AI competition for Alphabet to have to deal with. And that will possibly hurt in the long run their advertising business on the search side. Interesting story as well. The company looking further into delivering internet to remote areas with lasers. So that's out this morning as well. We'll talk about that. Coming up at 8:30, Aston Martin over in London trading sharply higher. ASML trades on the London Stock Exchange. ASML.LO is the ticker for our system here. But Lucid buying 3% of Aston Martin. So Lucid shares up about 12% at last check. In pre-market trading, we'll touch on Lucid. Here's Tesla. Goldman, the latest to downgrade Tesla stock, saying maybe a little bit too far, too fast here for Tesla shares. So under more pressure, continuing their slide from last week. Crypto to the downside this morning as well, including Coinbase, Mara, Riot as well. This pullback continuing for BTC. However, we are still holding 30,000 here on the daily chart, coming into play once again this morning, but held up nicely. PAC West back to the upside. Another $3.5 billion worth of their loan portfolio gets offloaded through a sale to a private equity management firm. So PACW up about 8% in pre-market trading. And Virgin, if you remember, had a nice move last week, came all the way back to the upside. They pinpointed the exact date for their latest launch coming up. Grab the watch list, guys. Use that QR code, bottom right corner right now. We're coming up at 8:30. We'll see you then on TraderTV.Live.